Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. I have a quick Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. As usual, here's an overview of the things that I picked up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to begin, I picked up a Jot Notebook 3-hole punch. I picked it up in purple, and that is something that I needed. I also needed some scissors, so I picked up these Westcott all-purpose scissors. They have a 5-year warranty, durable stainless steel, lightweight, comfortable design. And then I came across these sleep shorts, and I actually needed to get a pair for my daughter, and I seen that they had them in gray as well as black. So here I opened up the gray pack to show you what they look like. And these are in the size large. So they are Andre Joan sleep shorts, soft stretch, comfort waistband, and relax fit. Okay, and next up, I picked these up for someone who likes collecting figures, and Dollar Tree is great for this because they have so many different character figures. So I ended up finding some G.I. Joe, and the ones that I was able to find were Duke, Cobra Commander, and Snake Eyes. I did pick up a Power Rangers. They had all the other ones, but they didn't have the green one, and that was the last one. So that was a lucky find. Then these I hadn't seen before. They are Jurassic World, and this one is blue. And as you can see, they come with little cards as well. Then here we have Indominus Rex, and we have T-Rex. And these are really nicely detailed as well. Then I found the My Little Pony, so I picked up Hitch, Pip, Sunny, and Izzy. And then with the DC, I picked up Shazam, Batman, Superman, and Aquaman. And in my last Dollar Tree haul, I did haul a metal lunchbox that I picked up, and it was the Star Wars themed lunchbox. So this time at this other Dollar Tree, I found this Star Wars metal lunchbox, which I really like this one. And then I also picked up the Minnie and Mickey, Goofy, Daisy, Donald, and Pluto lunchbox. So I did need these, but I also did get them for another purpose, and I am going to be testing this out for my other channel where I talk about reborn collecting, and I'm hoping that this is going to work for a project that I am slowly working on, and if it does, I definitely will share it on my other channel. But this is a 14-piece screwdriver set, and I love keeping these in like a junk drawer or in the car just because they are so compact, and it has so many bits, and it has a top on it. It even has a little plastic thing that you could hook to a bag or backpack. But I do like getting these and also giving them as well because they're a nice little gift, and it's very useful as well. So I did pick up a few things for Valentine's Day to make a couple of little boxes, and I picked up a couple of these coloring kits, and it's like the paddle with the ball attached to it, but it also comes with some markers, and you can color the front as well as the back. So I thought that was really cute. So this one is a bear and a koala, and then this one has a llama and a dinosaur. I didn't even realize that I had picked this up, but it's a Whack-A-Pack surprise balloon inflates before your eyes. I'm not even sure. I've never picked these up before, but it ended up getting in my cart, and then I figured I could just add them to the little box that I'm making up. I picked up a couple of these double crisp hearts, chocolatey smooth, crisp and crunchy candy. I picked up a couple little plushies to put in each of the boxes. So I wasn't as impressed with the Valentine's Day. They did have other ones that were shaped in like a little donut, and which those ones were cuter. But as far as the little bears, I mean, they're okay, especially for the price. So I ended up picking up this brown little bear. I thought he was cute with a little heart nose and cute little eyes. And then the sequenced red feet. And then this one. These I thought were the cutest ones, in the red and the gold. I picked up a couple of cards. So this one says love, and it has dogs and cats on the front, and then it says sending hugs and kisses and Valentine's wishes for a fun and happy day. And then the second one that I picked up is a panda bear, and it says a Valentine for you. And then it opens up this way, and it says, with lots of love, plenty of kisses, bunches of hugs, and warm Valentine wishes. So I thought those were cute. And the last thing that I picked up are these boxes, which I thought were super cute if you're making up a little gift for someone. So it says Cupid Express. That's the front, and it has the side and the back. Is it the back? Well, the front and the back look the same. And then on the top it says special delivery, and it has a little opening inside. So this would even be cute if you have little ones and they're doing Valentine's Day at school. This would be great so that they could put their Valentines in their own little box. So I did pick up 2 of those. These were the last 2 that I saw, so they were meant for me. And that is it, guys. That will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. And last but not least, my most exciting find of the day are these fabric carrots. They are so cute, and I found that they came in 4 different patterns. So here you have this one, which is like a fuzzy material. Then there is the orange and white buffalo check, and then another type of buffalo check but smaller, and then this striped fabric, which is so cute. So I did end up getting 2 of each to add to my dining room centerpiece for the spring. And then I found the flocked bunnies, and I love these so much. They do make a bit of a mess, but they are so cute. And as you can see, these at my Dollar Tree were selling for $2. So I did end up getting 6 in total. Well, guys, that will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.